Welcome to Touch by an Angel Arts and Crafts. Today we'll be learning how to paint a busted canvas. I forgot to record the beginning of the video, but what I'm doing is adding paint. So I'm just doing like a couple of stripes going down the canvas with a 2-inch chip brush. I have my acrylic paints and I'm just going to go all the way across the canvas and paint with orange, black, purple, all the way across the canvas. Once you complete your design on the top part of the canvas, then you're going to let it dry. Here you see the dried version of the front part of the canvas. So I'm just doing a fill check to make sure that it's dry. And then we will flip it over and paint the back side. So I'm just going to do a couple of stripes. Now that we completed the painting on the back, we're going to take our handy dandy box tool to create a little hole in the middle of the canvas, and then we are going to cut across and cut downward and then cut in between those little triangle tabs that we can fold those over. So again, across, down, across and down, and then to the middle. What I learned while doing this is to make sure that your canvas is fully dry. So I would let it dry for 24 hours. So that way your triangles won't be a little flimsy. They'll be fully dry. And then you can fold them backwards. So remember again, this is my first time doing a busted canvas. And I took you guys along on a journey. Alright, so we folded all of our triangles back and this is what it looks like. So we have our canvas panel on the bottom, our pre-painted picture, and then we have at the top our cutout canvas to make it have that busted look. And then we are going to super glue, well not super glue, we are going to use the glue gun to glue those two together. So we're gluing the top part of the canvas to the bottom canvas panel on all sides. I did decide to fold them down a little tad bit more, the triangles. Folded them down a little bit more so that you can see a little bit more of the picture. So here you can play with your triangles as far as folding them back. You can undo them, redo them back. Just make sure if you pull off the paint that you put the glue back where the spots are missing for the paint, and then fold them back so that you can't see those missing spots. Just got to make sure that you do this kind of strategically so that you can see the picture on the canvas panel. And here's our finished look.